Okay, we have a Fadal Vertical Machining Center model VMC 6030, serial number 9907047. Machine was new in 1999. We're gonna run her for you. Machine has a 10,000 RPM spindle, Cat 40, Fadal CNC 88HS control. Right now we're running at 1500 RPM. Again, it goes up to 10,000. We're doing the change, belt change, 3,500 RPM. Machine's nice and quiet. It's box weigh, 5,500. That's your table with the original flaking marks on the table. Table is 62.5 by 30. Your travels are 60 inches in the X, 30 in the Y, and 30 in the Z. We're doing the tool change. We'll do another tool change. All right, we're gonna run the axes around. Machine has box weighs all axes. Also, the machine has a 4-axis capability. It has the drive. It's set up to accept the table. The X, Y, and Z axes are all quiet. Okay. I'm gonna pull up those hours again. Very low hour machine. Again, this machine's original paint. It can be seen in a New Jersey plant. Hey, thank you for watching our video.